Keto pizza number 2. Last time was good, but let's see if this one's even better. This crust doesn't use any flour, so it'll be a lot lower in carbs. Let's start with the crust. I will slightly mix 4 large eggs. Then I'll add about 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then mix it together and pour it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread it around evenly and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until lightly browned. Turn the oven up to 450, wait 5 minutes to let the crust cool a bit, then spread on some sauce. And add your favorite toppings. And finish off with more mozzarella cheese. And bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and starting to brown. And here's keto pizza number 2. Looks good, but the question is, will I like it? I really like this one. It's not the doughy taste you get with regular pizza that's made with flour and yeast, but this one tastes very good. The only difference is the crust isn't really pliable, so you'll have to eat it with a fork because it's a little softer, but it's very good. And out of a 10 for a keto pizza, I'd probably give this a 9, 9.5. Excellent. I'll be making this one again.